Every day you watch videos, scroll posts, listen to podcasts, and share messages. That's the world of media and communication. In this module, you'll see how storytelling, technology, and AI come together to shape news, brands, creators, and even your own voice. Media and communication are simply how information and stories move between people. Earlier, this mostly meant TV, newspapers, and radio sending one-way messages to large audiences. Today, your phone, social apps, and streaming platforms let you both consume and create content. This shift matters for careers. Instead of only mass media jobs, there are now roles in managing, analyzing, and designing these digital conversations. Media is much more than fun or time pass. It plays four major roles in society. It informs us through news and educational content, shaping what we know about the world. It acts as a watchdog, questioning those in power and exposing problems. It carries culture, spreading values, trends, and stories. And it drives the economy through advertising and brand promotion. Before the internet and social media, three big mediums shaped how information moved. Print offered depth and detail. Articles, books, and magazines could be reread, discussed, and stored as a permanent record. Radio added speed and a feeling of togetherness. People heard news, music, and commentary in real time, often while traveling or working. Television combined sound and visuals, making storytelling far more emotional and powerful. But all three shared one thing. A small number of editors and channels decided what millions of people were allowed to see and hear. Now think about how you watch and listen today. You don't wait for a TV channel to fix the time. You decide what you want and when. Digital platforms brought four big shifts. Speed, news, matches, and updates reach you almost instantly. On-demand viewing replaces fixed schedules. Podcasts build focused communities around very specific interests. And access? Small creators can reach a global audience with basic tools and an internet connection. This leads to a huge change in how media power works. Earlier, only big TV channels, newspapers, or studios could really shape public opinion. Now, anyone with a phone and internet can do it. Reviews, memes, and short videos made by regular people can reach millions. Algorithms decide what goes viral, not editors. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, X, and TikTok offer global reach. In many ways, the audience has become the creator. Convergence means the same idea or story appearing in many formats at once. A single news update might become a TV clip, a short social reel, a website article, and an audio briefing, all built from the same core content. For careers, this is big. Brands and organizations no longer choose just one platform. They coordinate across all of them. At the same time, audiences are fragmented. Teenagers, working professionals, and seniors may each prefer different formats. Future-proof roles in media, design, and marketing need people who can adapt one idea intelligently for many channels. Every organization needs a clear voice, but that voice doesn't sound the same to everyone. Corporate communication is like talking to the serious adults in the room: investors, regulators, senior employees. The focus is on facts, clarity, trust, and protecting reputation, especially during crises. Branding and PR feel more like a conversation with friends. Here, the goal is emotion and personality, how the brand looks, talks, jokes, and reacts online. Media careers in this space blend strategy, writing, design, and psychology. Picture yourself running an Instagram page for a small clothing brand. You start by choosing channels, maybe Reels, a blog, and a WhatsApp community. Then you test content, short styling videos, customer photos, maybe a live Q&A. Next, you track engagement. Comments, saves, DMs, poll replies. Then you open the analytics. Who's viewing, at what time, from which cities? A real digital strategist keeps tweaking posts based on this data and AI insights week after week. AI has become a superpower for creating and improving content. With just a short prompt, it can draft articles, social media posts, or summaries in seconds. The same applies to visuals. Type a description, and AI suggests or generates images and designs. For video and audio, AI can clean sound, cut clips, add captions, and even suggest edits. Behind the scenes, it studies huge data sets to spot patterns in what audiences like. So think of AI as a super fast assistant, not a replacement for your mind. You bring the original idea, the context, and the emotion behind it. You also notice if something is culturally insensitive or ethically wrong. AI is brilliant at the repetitive, boring parts, drafting versions, resizing, tagging, and doing similar tasks at scale. The strongest careers combine these strengths. You use AI for speed, then apply your judgment to refine the result so it truly fits your purpose and values. Now, zoom into 3 all-time gold careers in media. A journalist goes out, asks hard questions, and checks facts before sharing them. If you enjoy curiosity, writing, and truth-seeking, this might fit you. An editor or anchor uses judgment to decide what really matters, and strong presence to communicate it clearly. A PR specialist works on the other side, shaping an organization's image using strategy and persuasion. All three depend on trust, ethics, and clear communication. Next, think about 3 behind-the-scenes brains of digital communities. A digital strategist studies data and uses AI tools to understand what people search for, then designs journeys that turn visitors into loyal users. A multi-platform creator tells one idea in many formats, shorts, podcasts, posts, while using AI to edit and repurpose content faster. A community manager keeps conversations healthy, builds trust, and turns an audience into a real, engaged community. AI gives you huge power to create and spread content fast, but it also makes it easier for fake or biased information to look real. Your role is to slow down, question, and verify. Ask, who made this? What's their evidence? And does another reliable source agree? Use AI tools ethically. Be honest about using them, protect people's privacy, and remember, in media, trust is everything. As you step into the AI era, keep your core toolkit in mind. Be tech-savvy enough to use AI and digital tools with confidence. Sharpen your storytelling so your ideas actually move people. Think in terms of strategy, not just tasks. And anchor everything in ethics. With that mix, any future career in media and communication can carry your unique story.